Welcome to episode 5 of Networking Basics, where we'll explore the fundamental concepts of routing and switching. This episode will clarify how local and remote traffic are efficiently forwarded across networks. Switching primarily handles local traffic, allowing devices within the same network to communicate directly and quickly. It uses MAC addresses to identify specific devices and forward data frames to their intended local destination. Routing, on the other hand, is essential for sending traffic between different networks, like accessing a website on the internet. Routers use IP addresses to determine the best path for data packets to reach their remote destinations across various interconnected networks. So, while switches connect devices within a single network, routers connect entire networks together, enabling global communication. Understanding this distinction is key to grasping how data moves seamlessly across both local and global digital landscapes. Join us next time for more insights into the fascinating world of computer networking.